Nama.
Now Logan's like me. He likes chicken wings, but he'll only eat the outside. So he'll get like 5 and only eat the outside. So it's not like, I mean, it sounds like a lot of chicken, but it's not a lot of chicken. Because he only eat the outside. And watch this, watch this. Can we get some ketchup, please? Ketchup, thank you so much. And hot sauce in here too as well? Hot sauce as well? Hot sauce? She got 4. Thank you so much. All right, Linda. But her name is Rita. Okay, I'm driving, so I think I'm going to come back and look, Logan's like, wait a minute, where's my food?
Mommy, I'm hungry.
I know, but it's a lot happening.
Can I eat now?
Hold on. So, I mean, ain't nobody moving no time soon, because sis, behind me is all the way back there. So, wait a minute, hold on. Here, Ponce. Can you say your grace for mommy? Okay, let me see which one this is. Because it ain't like sis. See, she ain't got no phone. No, that one's dried up. That one ain't mine. Hold on. I'm gonna let y'all know what it is. Oh, this is the spice. Now you can taste it. You know the difference because the spicy have like some red sauce to her. And the other one just has like pure mayonnaise on it. So I'm gonna get a ketchup and a hot. I know y'all heard me tell her we needed straws. I know y'all heard me tell her that, and she was like, I know. Ain't a nan straw in this bag. Okay. Hold on, let me let you know. I'm finna. You wanna say grace? You wanna say your grace?
Amen.
Amen. Okay, I'm gonna put a little ketchup on mine. Oh, and I also got coleslaw. And she didn't give me no spoon. I got coleslaw because sometimes it be so hot. You gotta have a little, like a cool down. But I'm gonna tell you.
Is the sandwich good?
You want to taste it?
No.
Logan don't play no games. Linda. Look at it. Come on. We ain't got no straws, Logan, so we gotta drink it. We gotta drink it together. Now all of them ain't got it here in LA, so it's kind of hard to find. So you gotta do a lot of calling around first. You're gonna get your face cracked. Oh,
sorry, Mom.
It's all over the place. So I just want to let y'all know, well, just right here, goodness mercy, Michelle didn't do it forever. Go get y'all one of these Popeye's chicken sandwiches. It's the best thing on the planet, but they ain't got that together yet because they overwhelmed. That's not true. They're not sold out of Popeyes.
Oh, I got the tea.
What's the tea?
The lady said that they do sell out, but if the store don't order it in the morning, they're not gonna have it. So she said they don't sell out because they order the man said they order it in the morning.
Got it.
Every day. They order it every day.
Okay, so
if they don't order it, it's sold out.
Okay, so here is the thing. This first Postmates is your friend because the line is stupid, right? We got this. Me and James, come on, James, over here. We got this spicy, and I'm not gonna lie. James was like, Tamar, why don't you try the spicy with some coleslaw?
Always works. This little spicy coleslaw. You take that spicy, put that little coal, put that coal on that spicy. Logan, you put that little coal on that spicy. You got a little coal on your spicy?
No, I don't. You.
Let me tell you.
Now, I can look video.
It's the coleslaw that take you over.
No, I didn't say it.
I gotta go, cause I gotta eat pizza.
Bye-bye, everyone.
But I just wanted to share it because I'm sorry, I'm in my pajamas because I'm hungry. But yes, God.
I like it like that.
Get the coleslaw. The spicy with the coleslaw is the answer.